Welcome to Mingling Trays! Today we're gonna make fried shrimp with creamy mayo sauce, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious! First, mix well half cup each of potato starch and water. And set aside. Next, slice white or yellow onion. Cook onions over medium-low heat about 3 or 4 minutes. The key here is not making them golden brown. Seasoning with salt and white pepper as soon as you add onions in a pan will draw the moisture out so that onions can be cooked quickly at medium-low heat while remaining its color. Place them on a plate. Make sure to pile up. That way, the stored heat makes onions soften. For broccoli, as you blanch, add a little bit of veggie oil, then it will stay bright green color and glossy. Place them on a plate. Make sure to spread out to cool down. For the shrimp, make sure clean and devein. We're going to make tiny slits inside each shrimp so that it will prevent from curling up. It's straight, as you can see. Now let's make the batter and deep fry our shrimps. Discard the water, use soaked potato starch at the bottom, and add egg white. It helps to coat lightly, maintain shrimp's natural color when it's cooked, and makes it just enough crispy and tender with potato starch. Season with salt and white pepper. You will notice how lightly coated and it's ready to deep fry. Deep fry until you see hint of pink, about 1 or 2 minutes since the shrimp cooks really fast. I'm already ready to eat, but lastly, let's make the creamy mayo sauce. The key point for the sauce is that mix heavy cream, vinegar, and lemon juice first. After a minute or so, you're gonna see solid cheese-like substances are formed, as you can see here. Then add all the rest of the ingredients and mix well until you don't see any lumps. Now gently toast the fried shrimp with creamy mayo sauce. All done, let's plate. Place the onions on a plate first, spread them out. Then shrimps. Lastly, broccoli. Drizzle the sauce a couple of times and garnish with sesame seeds. All done. It's time to enjoy. This creamy mayo sauce has perfect balance of sweet and sour taste. And look at those broccolis, bright green, glossy. The fried shrimp was so good, tender inside but crispy outside. Hope you all try to make this awesome dish, fighter shrimp with the creamy mayo sauce, at home with our simple recipe. Thanks for watching and see you soon!